Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sparkle Baby. I am Adity and today we are going to do opposite hand makeup challenge, in which I am going to use my non-dominant hand to do full face of my makeup, and that is my left hand. It is pretty non-existent because I hardly do any work with this hand. I usually use my right hand, so yeah, I will be doing my makeup with left hand today, and I hope everything turns out pretty well because I'm very scared. But at some point I'm not that scared because I can bet you guys that this makeup look is going to turn horrible. So let's see how everything turns out. I'm pretty much excited for this challenge and I really wanted to do this for a very long time, and I'm finally doing it, so hope for the best. And yeah, so now without any further blabbering, let's get into the video. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe and also press the bell icon beside it to get notified about my future uploads. And yeah, so now let's get started. So starting off, I'm going to take my Swiss Beauty makeup primer, and this is how it looks from the inside. So I'm going to prime my face with this. So yes, I'm using my left hand and I'm going to apply it. So after priming, it's time for foundation, and for that I'm using this NELF HD 24 Hour Stay Foundation, and I'm going to apply this with the help of a brush. So again, I'm just taking a little bit of that on the back of my hand. And how do I use it? So I'm just going to dip my brush in the foundation, and then I'm switching my left hand and I'm just going to apply it. How do I blend my foundation with this? It feels like I'm painting my face. It feels like I don't even know how to hold a brush, and it just feels like I have forgotten how I do my work with my right hand, and my left hand is just acting very weird and I'm just feeling very strange. So I blended my foundation, but I see some unblended patches here and here, so I'm just quickly going to get a damn beauty blender and come right back. So here is my damn beauty blender, and I'm going to stamp it on my face. It feels like I'm hitting myself with a beauty blender, and thank God I used a brush because I would have never been able to blend my foundation just with a beauty blender. So I think my foundation is pretty much done, and now I will move towards my eyes. And for my eyes, I'm going to take this Hilary Rhoda, ouch, it's not opening, Hilary Rhoda color palette, and I'm going to pick these two colors from right here and I'm going to apply it on my crease. So here I'm dipping my brush into these two colors, tapping off the excess, and I'm going to apply it on my crease. It feels weird. Oh my god, this feels very peculiar. I don't even know where my hand is going. So I've zoomed you guys in so that you can see what the heck I'm doing. So you can see it has all gone to my brow bone area, but nonetheless I'm going to again deepen my crease. My left hand is paining already. I think I'm just going to pick this darker pink color and I'm going to deepen my crease with this. I so feel like an idiot right now. Wow, where did it flung? By the way, do you see that? That's what happens when you use your non-dominant hand for makeup. Like, yeah, that is exactly what happens. The color is all over the place, you guys. So yeah, now that the eyeshadow is all over the place, I'm going to move towards my lids. And for my lids, I think I'm going to take this color right here from Miss Rose palette. It looks like a denim blue shimmer color, and I will swatch it for you guys. So this is how it looks, and I'm going to apply it all over my lids. And the brush I'm going to use is... I'm using a small shaded brush today because I don't want to mess up anything more. So I will be using this. The color isn't coming to the brush. You guys know what? I'm really missing my right hand right now. It does a really amazing job as compared to my left hand, and oh my god, this is very difficult. I don't know how I will be doing my eyeliner. What the heck is this? Left hand, I must tell you, you are doing a terrible job right now. So that is our lid color applied. I don't know how much the camera is picking up, but trust me guys, it's looking horrible right now. I can see some sparse gaps here and there, and it's not looking stunning at all. So anyway, I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm going to blend both of them, like the edges, so that they look kind of married to each other. So the eyes look pretty good, except the fact that the colors are all over the place, and I would have to do a thorough cleaning of all that stuff. But nonetheless, I really like the combination. It's looking pretty. But before I do that, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and for that I'm going to take my Kajal eyeliner and I'm going to fill my brows with this. I know my eyebrows are not looking similar at all, but that was all I can do, and my hand is literally dying right now. It's paining you guys. So to clean all of the mistakes I just made, I'm going to use a dry cotton pad. I'm not using a makeup remover because I've already done my foundation, and so I'm just going to use a dry cotton pad, and I'm going to just slightly remove everything. But I'm just going to take half a pump of the foundation again, and I'm going to apply it with my beauty blender on the areas which got darkened because I removed my makeup. So yeah. I'm also cleaning under my brows. So now that is done, and for my concealer I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 10 Light. What was that? So now I'm going to set my face with Lakme 905 Compact Powder. And then to bronze up my face, I'm going to take this NYX matte bronzer in the shade medium, and I'm going to bronze my face with this. So our bronzer is also done, and for my blush I'm going to take the Steel Paris blush, and I'm going to pick a mix of these two colors and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. Can we just skip the liner because I'm actually liking this look? It has turned out pretty well and I'm damn sure that I'm going to mess up with the liner, and that is why I just want to skip it. I think I went a ham heavy with this cheek. Oh my god, I'm looking like a cartoon right now. So I mellowed it down as much as I could do, and now we are going to do our liner. For my eyeliner, I am going to take this Me Now Dynamic liner, and I'm just going to line my eyes with this. Don't you think I look like a clown from so close? I feel so. Oh my god. You see? Oh my god. The sketch eyeliner isn't working that well, and I think I cannot even manage to do more of sketch eyeliner, so I'm going to take my gel eyeliner. Actually, I have already lined my eyes, I just have to fill the liner. You see how I'm holding this brush? So that was pretty much I could do with my eyeliner, but I will just clean it up a bit. My wings do not look same at all, and I'm so sorry if you find the lighting a bit dim. That's because the weather has changed completely and it's going to rain here. So that's that, but I'm just going to clean up and make them look a bit similar. This is looking ridiculous. I messed it even more. So I'm taking a buffing brush now and I'm going to attempt to clean this thing. I'm taking my blending brush and I'm going to just blend the edges again so that it looks a little blended out and not that stark. I think I will spend my entire day recording this look only because I had pre-planned that I would record 2 videos today. One is this one and the other one was a review video. But unfortunately, I don't think that this thing is getting completed in any time soon. Plus, the lighting is getting dim, so I don't know what will happen. So now I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner, and for that I'm going to take this color, this silvery gold color from right here, and I'm going to pop that into my inner corners and my brow bone. And I will also be applying some Kajal, and for that I'm going to take this Lakme Iconic Kajal and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line, and I'm also going to tight line with this. And now I'm going to take that flat shaded brush from which I applied the blue eyeshadow, and with no excess product I'm just going to smudge it down. Oh my god, it's very difficult. I just hope that I don't poke myself in the eyes because that is going to hurt. And I'm going to pick this mauvey pink color from right here, brush off the excess, and I'm going to smudge that blue with that. So now for my mascara, I'm taking this Lakme Iconic Mascara and I'm going to apply it both on my upper and lower lashes. I just saved it from poking it into my eyes, so I really won't recommend it to try at your home because this also smeared a bit on my upper lid, but nonetheless this was made to happen. So now my mascara is also done, and then the second last step would be highlighter, and I'm using the Swiss Beauty Baked Blush Up and Highlighter in the shade number 3. And I'm going to take a mix of these two shades and I'm going to highlight the highest point of my face. We are going to move on with our last step, which is a lipstick, and I am using this Swiss Beauty Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is how it looks. So with that I complete the opposite hand makeup challenge, and this is how everything looks. So yeah, that would be it for my today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this challenge. For me, this challenge was very tough, you guys. So even if you enjoyed this video a little bit, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And please do comment below any video suggestions you have for me. And I will see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye.